Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Downloader on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your smart TV and open the built-in App Store. This could be the Google Play Store, Samsung apps, or the LG Content Store, depending on your TV. Next, use the search option and type Downloader. Look for the app with the orange icon. Once you find it, select it and tap Install. If you do not see Downloader in your App Store, do not worry. You can open the TV web browser and search for the Downloader APK. Another option is to download the APK on your PC, copy it to a USB drive, and plug it into your TV. Then install it using a file manager. For Android TVs, go to Settings, open Security or Developer Options, and enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. Finally, open Downloader, enter a link or code, and start downloading files. So that's basically how you can install Downloader on any smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.